Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Furry Handcuffs by the EasyToys Fetish collection. So let's get started. So these are the furry handcuffs themselves. Now these are shown here in the colour red, but it's also available in various other colours as well. Now these furry handcuffs are perfect for beginners who are perhaps exploring BDSM. The plush material is very soft and smooth on the hands, and these are completely adjustable. It also comes with a set of keys as well, which you can use to unlock as well. These are absolutely perfect for making your night a little bit more exciting. And that is the Furry Handcuffs by the EasyToys Fetish collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.